Hello everyone, it's Emerald here and welcome back to another video. On this video guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to connect the Ethernet cable to your Xbox and how it works. I just barely got this, you can see the packets there. I don't know how to take this thing off right here. I think you just like squish this and it comes out. Oh yeah, there, I made it come. Okay, now I'm gonna take this one off. You just squish it right here, like right there, and it comes out. Yeah, so that's how that works. In your Wi-Fi, you should have these little things right here, and you basically connect it there. Just like for this to focus, they're focused a little bit. You connect it here, like that. That's connected. I'm gonna keep it there. And I'm gonna move it, and I'm gonna put it like in the Xbox. So this is the Xbox right here. I'm sorry if it's like dirty right there and stuff. It's gonna be dirty. Wait, I'm gonna get my cable. Okay, and there I got the cable. You connect the cable, the other side of the cable, right here. I'm pretty sure, right there. It's like on the end of the Xbox, and you connect it there. I think it's like this. This is my first time using one of these, so yeah. Okay, there, I connected it. And I'm gonna go in my Xbox and see if it actually worked. Go to settings and stuff. Okay. And network setting. Okay, so I'm in the router. Or not in the router, I'm in the settings, and yeah, it should say wired right there. I'm sorry for the light thingy. It should say wired and it's set up wireless network, but it's wide now, so that works. And yeah, and this fixes your lag and stuff for like games and stuff, for like Fortnite and whatever games you guys have. So I guess if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos, and yeah, see you guys next time. Goodbye.